Guys, the new Grok 4.30 beta is officially here. And honestly, this model feels like the absolute beginning of Elon Musk's vision for AGI, or maybe even God-level ASI within the next 20 years. Elon actually just went on record and confirmed that this Grok 4.30 beta is running on exactly 500 billion parameters, completely debunking all those wild rumors on X claiming it was a 1 trillion parameter model. But before we get into the crazy new stuff it can do, let's break down what the heck parameters even means. Imagine your brain has billions of tiny connections to help you learn stuff, remember things, and figure out problems. Well, an AI like Grok is basically a giant digital brain, but instead of real brain cells, it has numbers. Tons and tons of adjustable numbers called parameters. These parameters are like the knobs and dials inside the AI. During training, the system reads mountains of books, websites, conversations, code, pictures, literally everything, and slowly tweaks all these knobs to make the AI better at guessing the next word, understanding questions, being creative, or solving puzzles. So when we say 500 billion parameters, it just means there are literally 500 billion of these tiny adjustable switches inside the Grok 4.30 beta model you're chatting with right now. Let me give you a super casual analogy. A tiny AI with maybe 1 billion parameters is like a clever kid who knows basic stuff. Can chat a bit, do simple math, tell a short joke. But a 500 billion parameter AI? That's like a super smart adult who's read every book in a massive library, watched tons of videos, learned from millions of conversations, and practiced solving every kind of problem you can imagine. It can handle way more complicated stuff without getting confused as easily. More parameters equals more knowledge stored, finer patterns spotted, and trickier tasks handled, like writing a full business report, understanding a long video, or keeping track of a super long conversation without forgetting what we talked about 50 messages ago. Now, I know the massive 1 trillion parameter version is dropping super soon, which will be double the size. But look, 500 billion is still an absolute beast. I know models like Kimi 2.5 already hit the 1 trillion mark, but Grok 4.30 has a secret weapon. It has a 2 million token context window. That's the largest of almost any major Western AI model right now. Sure, some models like Meta's Llama 4 Scout are claiming 10 million tokens, but let's be real. Running the full 10 million is still super hardware heavy and not perfect for deep reasoning. Grok 4.30 stays more consistent and accurate across the entire 2 million tokens. Way less forgetting in the middle of long documents or long chats. It honestly feels like Grok's memory got a massive reliability upgrade. Overall, Grok 4.3 is much smarter than 4.20, and the new stuff it can do, that's where it gets really fun.
The absolute biggest new feature that has everyone talking is professional document creation. You literally just describe what you want in plain English, and Grok instantly spits out downloadable, perfectly formatted files. We're talking PowerPoint slide decks, PDF reports, Word documents, and Excel spreadsheets. This simply did not exist properly before. Let's say I want to generate a full PowerPoint presentation from a super detailed 50+ page PDF about Tesla. I go over to a new chat, select the Grok 4.30 beta model, which is currently available for Super Grok users, and paste in my prompt. I upload the massive PDF and hit generate. Now, I'll be honest, because it's generating a literal file from a 50-page book, it took about 19 minutes to process. But guys, wait until you see this result. Man, look at this. The PPT quality is just amazing. It maintained the font consistency, the color schemes, and the structure flawlessly. The quality is superb, and the best part is that it gives you a fully editable file. So if you want to tweak an alignment or change a word, you easily can. Grok 4.30 improved here by miles. The previous versions could never generate a presentation at this level. Next up, we have native multimodal video understanding. Grok 4.30 is getting terrifyingly good at watching videos. I took a random 30-second Instagram reel, uploaded it directly into Grok, and typed, "Analyze and summarize this video in simple language with details." The great news here is that Grok easily accepts local video files now, whereas 4.20 used to complain about it. I played the video alongside Grok's output just to see how accurate it was. The video starts with a guy typing at his desk, and Grok literally writes, "A tired-looking man with curly hair and glasses sits at a desk frantically typing on a laptop." I mean, wow! It even caught the on-screen captions and perfectly explained the rest of the clip. The accuracy is practically flawless. The only slight catch right now is that local uploads are limited to a 209 megabytes file size. But if you have a massive hour-long video, no problem. Just paste the YouTube URL into a new chat, ask it to explain the details, and it will analyze it perfectly. On top of all this, Grok is now a total powerhouse for long conversations and projects. You can write a book chapter by chapter, build massive coding projects faster and with fewer errors, or crunch data for charts without the AI losing the plot. Plus, its real-time knowledge via X, Twitter, integration is stronger than ever. They are even testing a new skills feature, which are basically plugins, so you'll soon be able to use custom tools directly inside the chat. Keep in mind, guys, Grok 4.30 is currently just in beta, meaning it is only going to get faster and better from here.